Hello students, let us discuss an important model of atom which was proposed by Niels Bohr, that is Bohr's model of atom. Since there was limitation in Rutherford model, he could not explain the stability of atom. So, because of such limitation, Niels Bohr has given a more important contribution in explaining the structure of atom. Because of his contribution in order to explain the structure of atom, he got Nobel Prize. He got Nobel Prize for his work on the structure of atom. Let us discuss the Niels Bohr model for structure of atom. Niels Bohr put forward the following postulates about the model of an atom, that only certain orbits known as discrete orbitals of electrons are allowed inside the atom. That means only specific orbits only allowed in an atom. While revolving in these orbits, the electron do not radiate energy. That means while revolving around the nucleus, the electron is not radiating its energy. That means the electrons are not losing its energy. So the Niels Bohr, in his model, he was explaining about a special orbits which is called as discrete orbits of electron, which was named as K, L, M, N, which is also numbered in this way. The first orbit is numbered as 1, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, n equal to 4. So, he named these orbits, these discrete orbit as K, L, M, N, which can also be numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4. K, shell or the orbit. We can also use the word shell here or orbit. That means shell or orbit, we can use the word here, which is the circular path in which electrons are revolving. So the K shell or the K orbit is the shell which is closest to the nucleus. Then the second one is L, then the third one is M, then the fourth one is N. So when we look at the model of atom, in this we can say that the N is much farther from the nucleus and K is much closer to the nucleus. So he represented these orbits or the shell as letters K, L, M, N and so on, or the numbers are used like n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The number 1 is closer to the nucleus. So this is what actually he has put forward in his model. The more explanation about the Bohr model was be discussing in the 11th standard. So this is all about the Bohr model which we have discussed here, which is only a limited description here. The more detailed description will be doing in the higher classes. So this is all about this video. Have a nice day.